Sure, a lot of you have seen this on Amazon. I just got this today. Comes with a bunch of these wave ones. Another kind of wave one. Straight one. This kit comes with like different kind of colored spreading plastic thingies. Anyways, I did some repair on some underbody of the car, but I remember now I got this huge damage from the recycle bin, and I just wanted to see if this works out. I got this in here. I put one of the wavy ones in there, and supposedly you could just heat this thing up right now. Press the trigger. It smokes a little bit, gets a little red hot, melt it through, twist a little. Whoops, I missed that part. Twist a little, let it cool a little bit, pull out. All right, well, that was, I didn't get that one deep enough. We'll try the next one over again. Let me see here. So you get one of these wavy ones. This is on the fly. They're all knotted together here. It does have a little plastic odory melty smell around here. Probably not good for you to sniff it. Oh, come on. Let me pause this. Okay, unpause. And I even got one ready. Okay, let's see here if I can aim and actually show the viewers at home. Well, this thing unfortunately is not squeezing together, but this one looks a little tighter. Let's see if I can get this on camera this time. So heat till it turns lava hot, like red. There's the red mark. Stick it in the metal, deep, twist, let it sink in there a little bit, then pull off. Yeah, there, that's more like it. Wonder if I could just stick this back in. I didn't think about that. What if I stick this back on? Ah, there we go. Let's try to reheat this. I want to see how this works, if reheating helps. Oh yeah, it does. It's going in. Twist. Let go. It actually reheated it. So it's not the end of the world, guys. You just go in there. That's the second time I'm doing that. So I'm just gonna put a couple along here, and hopefully they'll be done. Curious is how hot to that is it to the touch. Oh, it's actually pretty cool already. Yeah, you can bend these off or break them off or whatever you want to do. Let's see. Or did they include? I think they included. Yeah, even though I have them myself, they did include these clippers. So I guess you can just clip these off now. Yep, there goes one. There you go. There goes the other one. I guess I can hammer the rest in there. I'm just gonna do that all along here and see how it goes. All right, I have done okay job. I wish I pressed those in a little bit more leveled, but I think I'm doing it. I did all right for the first time using this. I'm right here doing the last one right between the middle here. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Just like I said, it's first time using this, so it shows you usability is pretty easy. Oh, whoops. Then I do the little twist-a-roni, let it sit, pull out, blow away the chemical stuff. There. I would say, I hate to say it, but good enough for government work. But as you can see, yeah, this thing, whoop, don't stab your finger, of course, with all these. You got to chop these off. But this thing is solid. Solid. Yeah, hope that was entertaining to watch. I enjoyed that. This is worth its weight in gold. Like I said, I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking for repair. Because this is just, I don't know how that happened. Got smashed, for someone hit it or something, or ran it over. Anyways, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool staples. Thanks for watching.